Welcome to the ultimate IPTV recording guide. Have you ever wondered how to capture your favorite shows live? Before we dive in, explore 2TV.store for the best IPTV service. Contact Nancy for inquiries. Our goal is to simplify technology for everyone. Curious about recording IPTV? Keep watching as we unveil beginner-friendly tips that make it easy to capture moments without hassle. First, identify a reliable IPTV player with recording features. Options vary, and some providers might have built-in DVR capabilities or compatible external devices for effortless storage. Once you have your player, follow the manufacturer's instructions closely. This will ensure you don't miss out on any recording opportunities or encounter technical issues. External devices like USB sticks are great for storage and compatibility. Be sure to check your player's settings for optimal quality, creating a seamless playback experience later. In conclusion, recording IPTV is surprisingly straightforward with the right tools. Embrace this technology and enjoy your modern entertainment, seamlessly integrating past and future experiences.